My name is Nick Bonatadabis, and this is Digital Champions, the show about helping you master the digital marketing world. On today's episode, I'm going to be talking about how to make a viral video. All right, so you may be thinking, Nick, I know you've never created a viral video. You're right, but hold on one second, because if you're watching this video, you need to hear this message. All right? Everyone wants to create this viral video and they think that that's going to make them powerful, that that's going to make them feel good, or that's going to make them a bunch of money. If they only had more views, if they only had more followers, that's going to make you feel better. It's not. It's not going to make you feel better. It's not going to have that impact. And look, I don't mean to patronize, okay? I have felt the same way. I have felt the same thing that you're feeling, where you want more views, you want more followers, but at the end of the day, it's not going to change how you feel. And there's an important thing to understand when you're creating video for your business, that the views and the subscribers and the followers does not correlate to the revenue that you're creating in your business. There's tons of businesses out there without a YouTube channel, without views, that are making tons of money. I know a business that had they have 4,000 followers on Instagram, and they just had nearly $1 million launch. Yes, almost $1 million launch. What you need to understand, if you're watching this video and you realize, and you're still watching now, then you understand the importance of understanding this and not trying to create a viral video. Think about it like this. Trying to get a viral video is like trying to win the lottery. And realistically, I don't know if you've ever heard this or if you ever talk to financial planners, they don't tell you to invest in the lottery. No, because if you're smart, you take your money that you would be investing into lottery tickets and invest in other things. You could invest in real estate. You could invest in other ways that are going to be more consistently making money. You could just put that money into a savings account and let the interest build up so that you continue to grow that bank account. So you're creating that more consistent revenue and creating a more higher likelihood of success through that money. You could use that money to invest in knowledge and learning in courses that teach you other ways of making money. Investing that money into a business could be another thing. So it's an important concept and an analogy to understand, because the amount of things that you're putting into, you could be putting into other things, like advertising your business, things that are going to continue to make positive impacts and grow. And creating video is the same thing. It builds off of each other. One video that you think is going to go viral does not have the same impact. You want to consistently create video content regularly on a consistent basis, and they are going to build off of each other, just like your bank account would build if you keep putting money into it. It takes that consistency of being able to get that momentum, get that flow going. So stop trying to make a viral video. Focus on the one person that's watching your video that you're trying to make an impact with. That's going to have such a greater effect. You can have a small group of customers, loyal customers, and fans that support you through a number of ways. Mainly by being your customers and giving you money, which again is the goal of creating these videos, creating this content, is to create those fans, those customers. So you're building relationships with the audience that you have. So don't worry about having tons of followers or getting tons of views. Focus on those one or few people that you can impact through the content that you can create. And it will build off of each other, it will snowball effect, and get you the results that you are looking for. But it comes with that consistency. So stop trying to make that one viral video. It's magically going to happen. Now, I will say, the likelihood of it happening is going to be more if you create more videos. So the more videos you create, the higher likelihood that something could gain some traction, gain more views, that really just hits and gets the ball rolling. Now, will it go viral? Maybe, maybe not. But again, you won't know unless you try. Get out there, start creating video. If you like this content, you will love my free ebook, Video Social 101. Check it out in the links below.